Why use the Excel invoice matching tool? We just posted a cash receipt for $5,491.08 from one of our clients. The challenge? Figuring out which invoices were covered by that payment.
The challenge is the posted cash receipt is for $5,491.08. And how do we reconcile with our list of outstanding invoices? So which invoices are being paid by this cash receipt? We don't know. And this is where Excel invoice matching comes in. So here is our Excel invoice matching tool. The way it works is we bring the values from our list of outstanding invoices. So we're just gonna copy paste the values in column A, and we also need to bring the target value. In this case is the deposit amount. This just post it, and we just hit find combinations, and Excel makes thousands of calculations, but in seconds it will give you exactly the list of outstanding invoices that add up to your target value. The Excel invoice matching tool has other features. For instance, if we were off by 1 cent here, we're gonna say 0.09. Let's say that there is some rounding issue somewhere, we still can find a match. So we click find combinations. It says no exact match found, which is correct, but it asks you, would you like to see combinations within 1 cent? That's plus or minus 1 cent. We just say yes, and still it'll give us the list of invoices that add up to our target value within 1 cent. Another great feature of Excel invoice matching tool is that it can give you the closest match. So let's say we were off by exactly $1 or off by a small amount. We still hit find combinations. It says no exact match found, which we know. Would you like to see combinations within 1 cent? We say yes. No match found within 1 cent. We knew that. Would you like to see the closest approximation? We click yes, and still will give you a list of outstanding invoices that add up to your target value, and it'll give you the amount by which you're off. In this case, we're $1 less from our target value. And also you can reset the target only. So you just click this button here, reset target only, and you will clear the target amount and your results. Let's say you have another deposit, this one for $1,026.53. Again, paste it there, click find combinations, and it'll give you a list of matches that add up to your target value. And of course, I just gave an example of invoices matching deposit, but you can use this to match or reconcile a list of any values that you want to find out which values reconcile to a specific amount. If this looks like something that could save you time, just check out the link below.